welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and we've got a little bit of a different and exciting unboxing today. So this is a gift from a subscriber, Elaine. Thank you ever so much. I'll say that countless times. And she's kindly offered to send me some of her spares for the Heaven and Earth Designs project that I'm working on. So absolutely amazing offer, and let's have a look and see what colours we've got. Just need to try and get in the jiffy bag. This has not long arrived at all, and I'm straight into unboxing. Wow. So, oh, by the looks of it, oh, she stores in bags. I'm just going to check the message, just in case there's something that can't be seen. I think we're all good. Okay, so we got a little message saying, hope you're okay, all diamonds are sorted. These are probably 100 or less diamonds, and then I've got a list of all the numbers. They're less than 100, and then she's got a list, oh this is beautiful, got a list of 150 to 200 plus, so I can record what colours there is in those, and then 200 to 300. I really hope this helps. Can't wait to watch progress of your diamond painting. Your bags you use in your spares box, what side are they, please? I'm going to do what you have done with your spares. So just to answer your question, Elaine, though, I will answer it personally for you as well. I use the bags that are classed as 3.5 inches, and that is by 2.25 inches. So they're the bags I use. I ordered them in a bulk lot on eBay. I ordered a bulk lot of 1,000 and it cost me less than £5 posted. So they're the ones that I use, but I'll send you that in an email as well. Sorry about the mistakes. I've only had 1.5 hours sleep. Bless. Also, what do you use to section your spares, please? So to answer that question as well, Elaine, in my spares box, I will link up, I will send you the link to the video where I just actually showed how I made this, but the sections in the middle, these are foam board. I just picked up some sheets from Hobbycraft and cut those down. And the sections, and actually the box was from Hobbycraft as well, and the sections for my labels to label what colour they are, that's just some cardstock. I happen to have a load of, well, I mean it's card type quality cardstock. I happen to have a batch of white, but any cardstock will do it. When I first did this, I actually used some cardboard from a box to divide up my first one. I just didn't have enough to do my second one, so when I went and bought some foam board, I just replaced it in both. So that answers both of those questions as well. But wow, look at all these diamonds ready for ticking off my list. Fantastic. Thank you ever so much, Elaine. This is going to be extremely helpful. I'm going to have a look through now. In fact, I'm going to use your lists because that is so much easier for me. First off, I am going to have a quick look. Okay, let me get out the colour numbers. I'm going to have a quick look at the ones that I've needed for my design already. So I've already spotted one. 304 is in there, which is fantastic. 349, no, 350. I think I've just spotted that one. This is so good already. Okay, they're all in number order, which is great. So I can work out which ones of the ones that I've needed, and then of course the other ones will come into play later on. 760. This makes me so happy. This is the heart symbol. I have had a lot of the heart symbol that I have needed on my designs so far. I've come into quite a few of those. Oh, we've got some 939s as well, which we all know I need. 894. So we've got some good numbers in here, Elaine. Absolutely fantastic for filling in some of those gaps. And the big one is definitely the heart one, which you'll see when I get that completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through now and double check the rest of these numbers, and I'm going to get them popped into the storage ready to use. But yeah, big shout out to Elaine. Thank you ever so much for these spares. They are all going to come in useful in completing this diamond painting. So thank you for watching on this little bit of a different unboxing, and I'll speak to you all again soon.